In 2025, the digital landscape is bursting with opportunities for entrepreneurs ready to seize them. Imagine harnessing the power of AI to create personalized online courses that cater to niche markets. With just a few clicks, you can share your expertise and generate passive income while helping others grow. E-commerce is evolving. Consider dropshipping unique products sourced from sustainable suppliers. This not only taps into the growing eco-conscious consumer base, but also allows you to run a business with minimal overhead. And let's not forget about the rise of remote consulting. Your knowledge is your currency. Offer your insights to businesses worldwide, all from the comfort of your home. Invest in your personal brand through social media. Authenticity attracts loyal followers who are eager to support your ventures. In this ever-changing digital world, adaptability is key. Embrace innovation, stay curious, and remember, the future is yours to create.